Hello, in this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bake multiple materials into the same texture maps. So I have this soccer ball 3D model right here. As you can see, they have two textures. First, go to Data Tape and add New UV Map. Then go to Edit Mode and press A to select all faces. Press U and choose Smart UV Project. Then go to Shading Tape. Select First Texture and add New Image Texture. Make new texture and rename it to Color Bake. Select the new image texture and copy and paste in second 3D model material. Go to Render Setting and choose Cycles Engine. Down to Bake section and choose Diffuse. Select your model and click Bake. I have a guidebook about Blender best tips. You can find it in description. Buy it to support me. Save the baked textures as PNG. Now remove all material textures from your model and create new material. Add new image texture and connect it to base color, then upload the baked textures. As you see, the model not perfect UV map. Remove the first UV map and it will be fixed. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching. And again, I have a guidebook about Blender tips. I hope you buy it to support me. And also, if you'd like to help support this channel, checking out my Ko-fi store.